Can you still see my setup?
Yeah, we're live. We're Facebook Live right now.
Okay, awesome. So what I was doing was, okay, so we preheated the oven to broil on low. Because that's
Oh, wait, hold on. I didn't catch that part.
Oh yeah, that was when you got frozen.
So wait, we have to go back for a second.
Okay, so what I've been doing is I've been adding the sauce to the spaghetti squash.
Okay, wait, hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. I'm not sure if we are. Oh no, we are live streaming. Okay. So you put everything in. I know. I'm so sorry. So I should I put the meat inside the spaghetti squash?
Yes.
Okay.
And this is, but again, this is just if you're doing both. If you're just doing plates, you can put the squash and then the meat on top with the fresh herbs and the cheese and/or cheese. It doesn't matter.
Hey, can I put the pan in the sink? Am I done with the pan? Or do I need it still?
No, you're totally fine. Now, sometimes what I do is and you don't have to, is I'll save a little bit extra sauce to put on top. But if you've already mixed it in, it's totally fine. It's honestly, it's all gonna end up on the same bowl or plate, so you're totally fine.
Maybe. Okay. So we're gonna use tongs to toss it. Is that okay, tongs?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, can I taste this? I'm gonna taste this.
I think you should. Ooh. I love it. I wish I could take a screenshot of that.
Oh my God, that's so good. Right? Wow, that is so good. Okay.
Hey, sweetie pie, are you having fun?
Having fun, Sienna?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Kim. Nice to meet you. See, so one of the things that I really coach people on and like talk to a lot of people about, especially while we're in quarantine, is what can we do to bring the family together and to make it fun, right?
Yes. Yes.
So these boats are a great way to make it fun. Okay, so put your oven on a low broil if you're using cheese. If you're not using cheese, then you can totally omit this part.
Okay. I've got it on broil.
All right, so I
have feta cheese.
And you can use any kind of cheese. You can use mozzarella, you can use feta. I use goat cheese because I am working on my gut health and digestion, so it's just easier for me. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your bowl of mixed squash, and actually, let me grab this.
Do we just put it in the bowls?
Yep, you're gonna put them in the bowls.
Okay. Yeah, isn't it cool? What do you think, Sienna? Yeah, let me do 2 and then you can do 2. Does that sound good? I think we're gonna have leftover squash, by the way.
Yeah, I know, definitely. Which again, you can have as leftovers, and you can add a salad, or you can make some steamed asparagus or broccoli or whatever you want to do.
Well, you know what? That's great because that can be for lunch tomorrow.
Right?
So, you know what? Not only have we cooked 985 dinners during this quarantine, but we've done just as many lunches.
Yeah.
And I just have to say for breakfast.
Yeah, because look at how much squash is left.
This has been a savior in our family for breakfast, by the way.
I know, maybe we should do like a quarantine breakfast thing. But because we've already mixed the squash and the sauce and everything, it basically is half the amount that it was before. So this is great for leftovers. You could do all different kinds of things for that.
Definitely.
And I still have some sauce, which, you know, you don't have to or not. I love sauce.
Okay.
So,
and then should we put cheese on top?
Yep. So I'm just adding, if you decide to use some remaining sauce, and then put cheese on top.
Yeah, 2.
Okay, we're gonna do 2 with cheese, 2 without.
2.
Sounds good.
2 cheese for the pants and 2 without cheese for the kids.
No, don't put that.
You are a really good helper.
She is. Okay, and then do I put it in the oven to broil?
Yeah. So.
Oh my gosh, I love your dog. Your dog is like sniffing around like, what can I eat? Did you drop anything?
Story of my life. I'm not even kidding. Like, he's so funny. So when you broil, for anybody who doesn't know about broiling, is you want to put your rack the highest up that it can go. Leave your door a little cracked, and then put it on low. It's gonna broil quick, like very, very quickly.
Okay.
So you do not want to broil it in a long amount of time, and you want to watch it. You just want it till it has a little bit of golden on it.
Okay, just a little bit. Okay. We'll watch it. Can you look at Daddy? Ask and tell Mommy needs his help to test it. Okay, I can't tell you how many times I have burnt garlic bread when I've broiled it, or naan bread. It's like been on fire.
Yeah, because broiling cooks super quick. My oven is funny. It doesn't broil as fast. I have a very interesting, conventional oven. So mine will take longer, so I'll probably pull it out and it won't look nearly as brown as yours will.
Mine only goes to high. It doesn't even have a low.
Oh, well then you may want to watch that like right now.
Okay, not yet. It's pretty close.
Yeah.
Pretty close.
Yeah, and you can even take it out a little sooner. And then basically what we're going to do once it comes out is just top it with a little bit more fresh herbs, and then voila, you have your meal.
Oh, I'm so excited. So Sienna just went to go get my husband so they can taste test it.
Yay! I'm so excited.
This is very fancy. It's really nice. Do you ever do any like sides with it, like a vegetable or something? Not that I want to add any more to this because this was a lot for me to do.
No, I do asparagus, roasted broccoli. I do massaged kale salad. Like I actually made that today, a massaged kale salad, which I can drop a recipe in here too for. So
yeah, this is like really top of what I can do right now.
Trust me, it's super simple.
So okay, yeah, it's taking just a little bit longer. So you just want it to be a little brown, the cheese to be a little brown,
just a little bit like lightly brown color, because if you put it in there too long, it becomes like charcoal.
Okay.
I'd actually rather you undercook it than overcook it.
I think I'm gonna,
and you don't even have to brown it, honestly. You honestly don't have to brown it. It's just another feature.
Okay. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on a plate for them.
Okay, and then sprinkle some of those fresh herbs on top.
Should I do basil or parsley? Basil?
I would do basil. Yeah, for sure.
Okay. Let me.
You can do parsley too. That'll like help us like support our immune system. I love your family.
I know. I have my family. They're goofballs.
But you gotta have fun in the kitchen, right?
Yes. I think we're all a little stir crazy. Okay, so I'm
even more crazy to like cook up in the kitchen.
Oh,
we should have had them shaking it with us with the garlic earlier.
I know. Okay, sit down.
You gonna feed us?
Guys, just like they do on the Today Show.
Can we be very pumpy?
They're always very nice on the Today
Oh,
Show.
very nice.
Whether they like it or not, they say it's
Can I put on the ludicrous projection?
Hey, this is hard for me to do, so.
So I am expecting Grace Greens.
Okay.
You gotta turn your camera over to them.
I will. I'll turn my camera around. Hold on.
This is absolutely delicious.
Okay, here we go. Let's see the big taste test.
Approved.
Okay, let's see. There we go.
So,
all right.
To test it.
We're gonna take a test.
Be careful, it may be hot.
The texture is adorable.
Okay, Sienna.
Magnifique. Yum.
Sienna.
Do you want to take a
It's
picture?
pretty good, huh?
I love it.
It's actually really good.
Oh my gosh, did you hear that?
Mm.
Yay! Yay!
Hold on, Mommy.
Yay! That was so great.
I love it.
Wonderful. A little midlife cooking on a Monday night. So amazing.
I love it. I love it. And ask your readers and your followers if there's certain dishes that they, want to see come to fruition in their home and ways that we can help them. And then again, like we had said, you could take half of that meat mixture that we cooked up tonight, save it for tomorrow, add in some, different things for a chili or a taco, like a Taco Tuesday, some taco seasoning, and then do that on wraps, lettuce leaves, like the shells, and then add some rice and beans or salad or whatever. Like, we're all about keeping things simple right now.
Yes, definitely. Keep it simple, keep it fun, have something for the family. I hope this has been so helpful for you guys. Thank you, Kim. You are amazing.
I love
you. It's all about, we're a community. It's all about helping each other through this time and later on. That's my husband giving us.
Absolutely.
All right. Thanks, everyone. Have a great night. Thank
Have
you.
a great night. Enjoy your home cooking. Bye, guys.
Bye.